What is going on, bandits? We're gonna talk about the importance of sleep, and Dr. Isratel is gonna help us understand why.
I actually don't need to hear about your program or your diet. I don't give a shit because it's all just downhill. You have to
Wait, what?
chronically underslept. I actually don't need to hear about your program or your diet. I don't give a shit because it's all just downhill. You have
Dude, you guys hear that, right? He doesn't even want to hear about what you have to say if your sleep is not under control. Now, obviously, like, we all need sleep, but there's this subset of people that believe that by sleeping less, you can be more successful. And this bleeds into fitness a lot because people have that mindset of like, oh, more pain, more gain, never taking breaks off, uh just go hard and go harder, and you know what I mean, like, so I feel like this type of mindset where like, oh, I wake up at 4 a.m. and I'm gonna fucking do a workout and that's because I'm successful, like that ideology of like, it's honestly like not even like good, because you guys can see Dr. Isratel doesn't even want to hear what the fuck you have to say if you don't sleep at least 8 hours a day. And honestly, I personally can attest to this. If I don't sleep well, the next few days my training sucks. I used to work for Amazon warehouse, literally overnight shifts, and I would hit the gym right after. I know it's crazy. I don't know how I did that, but I did that for almost like 6 to 8 months. Sleep, bro, like it was literally like a make or break when it came to my workouts. Some days I wasn't able to sleep my full 8 hours. And when I hit the gym, dude, I literally felt like there was a cloud on my head. I felt like I was literally like hungover or some shit like that. Then, whenever I would sleep, I would still be tired because, mind you, I'm working a whole fucking overnight shift. And this is labor job. This is not even just like sitting down and like fucking bullshitting around. This is like line fucking pushing boxes, like fucking moving. We have metrics, like we have all that, right? So the days where I would sleep at least 8 hours, yes, I was tired, but I was still able to hit the gym right after my shift. Whereas the days that I got 6 hours, 5 hours of sleep, literally, like, I could not fathom. Like, all I was thinking was just to go back, get sleep, and yeah, man, recover or whatever. But I urge you guys to create your sleeping schedule. You don't necessarily have to fucking sleep, like, or wake up at like super early in the morning. Long as you sleep with your minimum 7 to 8 hours, maybe nine. I don't know, like this also depends what type of person you are. So you should get to know yourself better. If you see that you feel much better sleeping 9 hours versus 8, then aim for fucking 9. It's not like fucking hard to, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, I don't want to make these things lost. Fuck with your boy. Go to my website. Support these fucking hoodies, man. They're great. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you fucking sleep.